Hi, to sign in Google account on your iPhone 16e, firstly go in your phone settings and now scroll all the way down to find this last section apps. In here, just search for your Apple Mail app, which looks like that. And what we are gonna do now is we need to add another account here. For that, click Accounts and choose Add Account. Then, of course, pick Google from the list of other options. And right now, you just need to enter your email or phone number. Then tap Next and enter your password. So now you should see this tab. And here I suggest you to use passkey from a device with a camera. So click Continue and point camera of other device at this QR code like that. And on the bottom, choose to sign in with passkey like that. On your other device, you need to confirm, and then you should see this tab here. And after that, you should sign in. So yeah, sign in to iOS. Click Continue. Now allow access by clicking Continue and just tap Save. And now this account is added. You can see it in your mail accounts list. So here it is, Gmail. To delete, just click and on the bottom choose Delete. That's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.